Hey everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I am going to go through an Etsy shop critique. If this is your first time here, go ahead and click on the like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos, so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And for those of you who are here checking the shop critique out, I do these totally off the cuff and go through branding and aesthetic. I dive into 2 listings, so that way y'all can try to increase traffic, which will hopefully increase sales and that elusive conversion rate that we all care about so much. And if you haven't already, go ahead on over to the Facebook group and click on join, where we're creating a community of like-minded individuals who are trying to grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. I'm not really going to keep blabbering on with these, so I'm just going to hop right in it. So I'm going to head on over to my computer screen and we'll get started. So today I am going to go through the TheLetteringOwl shop, okay? And it looks like this is digital art, downloadable prints, and printable planners, okay? And she has a nice banner up here, a very basic logo, which is good. And all of her shop sections are divided. She does have her featured items, which is good. All of these are on mock-ups. I will say the mock-ups are a little bit hard to read, but not too bad. And it looks like the price points are not bad either, although they are a bit all over the place. You don't have very many items, so that could be a reason why you're not getting as much traction as you so wish. So a lot of people are like, oh man, you have to have like all these listings to make a ton of money. You really don't. But one thing I've noticed here is the majority of your items are seasonal. And so if you're creating just seasonal items, you're only going to see pops at that certain time. So I see that there's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of your 15 listings are holiday centric, okay? And 1 is geared towards 2021 with the printable planner, or calendar, I'm sorry. And so the printable calendars and things of that nature really pop in December and then kind of like die out after that. And then obviously for Christmas and fall and Halloween, you're going to see your traction in like August, September, October timeframe, and then that's it. So really, you have 10 listings that are going to be focused on throughout the year, and you have to ask yourself, is that going to be evergreen enough for me to make consistent sales? And if you don't know what I mean by evergreen content, you can go ahead and check that video that I'm going to post up above that talks about evergreen content and why I make consistent income off of my Etsy store, because I'm not just focused on seasonal items. I have seasonal items in my store, but it's much more than that. So I'm making consistent revenue every month. Regardless, I think your mock-ups are really good. The one thing that I will suggest is to try to get your logo stamped on some of these. That way, if somebody does stumble on your image in Google or another search engine or Pinterest or whatever it may be, if somebody pins your stuff, they can go back and find you. Okay. It looks like you do have 1 review here, a 5-star review on the planner, which is good. You do have your story, which is fantastic. You have your shop members here, and you do have your FAQ. Talking about that they're digital products, how they work, can you resell them, and if there's any additional questions, to reach out to you. So that's all very well and good. Etsy loves when people fill out their shop all the way. It lets them know that you're not a robot. Okay? Gives you a tiny little boost there. So I did go ahead and select 2 listings that I do want to look at for titles and tags. We'll go ahead and jump right into those. All right? So the first one I wanted to look at was this printable 2021 calendar. It just really, I like the promo engine. I thought it was really good. And it looks like you have a mock-up here showing what a few of the months look like. That's an instant download that you get PDF and JPEG files. Let's see, you do have a little video here, so let's check that out. Oh man, is this what it looks like printed out? This is really neat. I must say, like, if you printed this out and bound this, like, let me know what the sorcery is, or is this like a video mock-up that you did? Because this is really killer. I've never seen this before. Please let me know in the comments, or respond to me in a message or something. Let me know how you did this, because this is really phenomenal. And if it was a video that you took, like, keep up the good work, because this is great, showcasing what the product will actually look like. I love it. Yeah, goodness gracious, let me know. So your promo images are great. I love them. I think they're fantastic. You talk about how it works and what you can do, and if they have any questions. Let's go ahead and look at your title. Printable 2021 watercolor calendar with cover. Minimalist desk calendar. 2021 monthly calendar, printable, letter size. All right, so this could probably go right here, these last two. But really your title's not that bad, okay? Printable 2021 watercolor calendar with cover. Minimalist desk calendar, 2021 monthly calendar, printable. 3 very succinct keywords, okay, that explain what you are providing. I don't really have much more to say aside from that. I don't think it's a bad title at all. So the one thing that you're going to want to do is copy and paste this title once you remove this, if you so wish, and put it in the beginning of your description. We'll look at the description here. 12-month 2021 calendar, printable cover page, each month illustrated with a hand-painted watercolor circle and pastel color palette. And what is included, what you will get, what the file sizes are, how to download, that no physical item will be delivered, how to print. Please note about the colors, which is always important with digital downloads. Personal use only. There you go. And contact me. Questions. And thank you for checking things out. It's a good description. Okay, I can't complain about that. So let's go ahead and see what we're working with on the listing itself. You've had 42 views. Okay. I like this. Be careful not to remove good keywords from your listing. You have a good visibility score of 84%, okay? You've only had the listing up for 37 days. So I always recommend when people are going to create calendars or things of that nature, you really want to get them up in your shop around October or November. That way Etsy has had time to crawl the page for SEO and get it up, get a feel for it, so it can bank up in results, okay? So it does say that your title may have been written for computers. Not so bad. I'm going to click on what's going on here for your tags. You do have 13 tags. Watercolored prints. Printable calendar, okay? Very high competition, and it is searched quite a bit. Instant download. That is a waste of a tag. Wall calendar. Okay? Maybe digital wall calendar if it will all fit. Monthly calendar. 2021. That is a horrible tag. You also have it down here in desk calendar 2021, so really you can get rid of that altogether. Digital calendar, that will work. Calendar template, watercolor calendar, vertical calendar, office calendar, calendar prints. So the tags aren't horrible. Actually, I think this is a really good effort. You have some high, medium, and low competition. So let me just go ahead and sort this through. You have a good mix of high, medium, and low competition keywords in here. So I wouldn't mess with the tags too much. I would definitely get rid of 2021. You can see that it has similar tags with desk calendar 2021. So you'll get hit. That will hit. If somebody types in digital calendar 2021, like this will pick up, okay? Instant download is kind of a waste of a tag, so I would get rid of that and replace it with something else. Digital download is something that people search for instead of instant download, really. Printable calendar, watercolor. I would put something in, like, does watercolor calendar, you have it down here. That's good. You may want to tweak a few of your tags. Definitely get rid of some of these ones that are a little bit more repetitive, and try to find a few more keywords that are good. But for this only being up for a little while, that's not really too bad. So you see how it talks about a lot of single word tags, and they really suggest that you use multiple phrases with your tags because you get more bang for your buck when people are doing keyword queries on Etsy. And also they have tags that can be found within other tags. And you can see where the similar tags here will talk about that, okay? You do have a holiday in here as New Year's. That doesn't make much sense, I guess, but you may want to look into your attributes so you can add some colors in there. What main colors you're using: pink, blue, purple, and then you do have it in the appropriate category, so that's good. and it's kind of bitching about your description, but I wouldn't worry about that too much. And then again, Google preview here, you definitely want to work on. So overall, I think that's a very good effort. I think if you just tweak a few things, you're going to see some more traction on that one, okay? So we're going to go ahead and look at this next one. Mini printable planner card sets. That's a tongue twister. Printable notes, printable memo, goals tracking card, printable weekly meals, printable planner kit. That's a lot of words. Printable planner cards. So you have a meal planner, daily notes, goals, and memo. Okay. Are you saying that the colors change in here? 3 colors. That's very nice. So you do have 3 different color variations of this, which is fantastic. And I'm going to presume that your notes, memos, goals, pretty similar to the last one. Okay, so that's good. So let's go ahead and take a look at this on mini. Okay, you've had 27 views. Visibility score is 44%, so not fantastic. This has been up for quite some time. And it talks about how your title may have been written for computers, and I don't disagree with the rank. You want to focus on those 3 keywords that I talk about. So, and for this case, you know, you have printable planner cards. You have it in your promo image, so I would say printable planner cards. Even leave many printable planner cards. Printable daily notes. Printable planner kit. And maybe keep it at those 3. Okay? Let's see what your tags are doing. Printable planner. Lots of competition, but lots of searches. So I don't think that that's a bad tag to have. Planner inserts is not a bad tag to have. A5 planner probably is a waste of a tag, but I'm not sure. Mini happy planner. What is that? Weekly meal plan. That's not a bad one. It has some search volume, a 100% click-through rate, and very low competition. Printable notes, printable memo, mini planner cards, goals, printable memo planner, goals tracker, printable cards kit, goals, planner, print. Okay. It's hard for me to think or wrap my head around what would be good tags for this listing, considering I don't really sell anything like this. I don't think that these tags are bad, but I definitely think you need more of a mix. So you may just want to consider looking into some of those tags. Overall, I think this is a really fantastic effort. I mean, you have a banner, you have a logo, your shop sections are set up, you're starting to put listings up, you've made 1 sale since your inception. I think that just kind of tweaking those tags and titles just a little bit is really going to help you. Your mock-ups are good. Like I said, I do recommend getting your logo stamped somewhere on there so people know. You may also want to consider putting in like a banner or bar, kind of like how you have your circle saying, hey, this is what you're going to be receiving, so that way people know when they're scrolling through. I will say that these white mock-ups on the against the white background sometimes are hard to read, so you may want to consider doing a darker color, like a gray or something that's really going to make that canvas mock-up pop, okay? But overall, I think this is a really good effort to start. I think if you just do a few little tweaks, you'll start to see a little bit more increase. And then as you add things to your shop, you're going to see more traction, okay? And more views and hopefully more sales coming from those views. So if you have any questions about anything I went over, go ahead and drop a comment below, or you can head on over to the Facebook group and ask there, or reach out to me personally, that's fine. And if you're watching this video as well, you can do the same. If you haven't already, head on over to the Facebook group and join up. We're creating a community of like-minded individuals who are looking to grow their business and change their lives with semi-passive income. And as always, if you got something out of this video, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as it does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. So yeah, reach out if you need anything, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.